Hello advisors, today we're going to look at the functionality of the what-if analysis in DegreeWorks. So once you are on your student's account on the left-hand side here, you're going to click on What If, and this will take you to an area where you need to select two things. You need to at least select the major and the program and midterm. In this case, we're looking at a student who's liberal arts and sciences, and we want to see if they switch to accounting, which of their courses is going to transfer over. So I'm going to pick accounting and the midterm. So I'm just going to say fall 2019 as we're currently in the summer of 2019 and the student wants to see next semester if they switch and that catalog term, how is that going to apply? So once you have a program and midterm and a major, click on Process What If. And once this loads, you'll notice up at the top here, the major will say Accounting AAS. And if I scroll down, we now can see how many of the credits are applying towards the student's major. So in this case, we have 2 accounting courses appearing. We have a bunch of other stuff showing up. It looks like this is a pretty good option for the student, as all they need to do is complete these 4 other accounting courses. So this student would be able to complete this program in 2 more semesters, as these are subsequent courses. So that is an option for this student. Now let's take a look at a major that most likely the credits aren't going to all apply to. So I'm going to go to What If, pick a major of animation, and we're going to look again, choose a fall term, and click Process What If. And this is going to plug in that student's courses into the animation degree. So now as we see, there's a whole lot less done here. So we've got writing 1, 2, math, and a couple other courses that are filling in here. So this student, as we scroll down, you can see which ones are ineligible for graduation requirements, which courses are not used, and then that gives you an idea if this is a viable option for the student, especially if they're having to utilize financial aid for their courses. So this is a great tool for you to sit down and either work on it with your students or recommend they look at if they are considering looking at a different degree potentially, and how that might impact the courses they've already earned credit for. Now, if you have any questions, just contact the records office about what if analysis. If you need to send this to a student, up at the top here, you can click on Save as a PDF, and it'll download a PDF version of this what if analysis that you could then email to a student if you were digitally advising them. And this is going to look just like this and be a PDF version of that same analysis, so that way there's a digital copy and you could print it out from here if you wanted to show the student. You'd have the print option for the PDF, so that way they could take that with them if they still need to make a decision. You also want to contact Career Services if the student's not sure of what type of career they want to go to, or they can meet with an academic counselor to discuss the different options of how this impacts their academics. And considerations also include financial aid as well, as this can impact their 150% rule. Again, if you have any questions about the specific analysis within DegreeWorks, reach out to the records office, but also financial aid, advisement, and career services are fantastic places to reach out to and recommend the student to whenever considering a change of curriculum. Thank you.